Welcome back to Standard 5th Maths Digital class. Let's continue lesson number 11, Problems on Measurement. Let us see how to solve word problems. Practice set 47. Question number 1. For his birthday, Ajay gave 20 liter 450 milliliter of milk to the children in an ashram shala and 28 liter 800 milliliter to the children in an orphanage. How much milk did Ajay donate? Ajay want to celebrate his birthday differently. So what he has done? He has decided to donate milk to ashram shala and orphanage. So how much milk he donated? 20 liter 450 milliliter to ashram shala and 28 liter 800 milliliter milk he donated to orphanage. So what we have to find out, how much milk did Ajay donate? So let's write given things. Milk donated in ashram shala. How much it is? 20 liter 450 milliliter. And he has also donated milk to orphanage. How much it is? 28 liter 800 milliliter. And what we have to find out, how much milk did Ajay donate? Quantity of milk is given in liter and milliliter. So here we have to make two columns, liter and milliliter. We have to add both the figure. 20 liter 450 milliliter first donated to ashram shala. So write down that figure. Then we have to add this because we have to find out total how much milk he has donated. Then second figure, milk donated in orphanage, 28 liter 800 milliliter. Now do the addition of milliliter first. Add 450 plus 800, we get 1250 milliliter. 1250 milliliter means 1 liter 250 milliliter. So carry out addition in milliliter column. So here 250 will come and 1 liter we have to carry in liter column. So here it will come. So do the addition. Now after adding liter, we get the figure 49 liter 250 milliliter. It means total how much milk he has donated. Write down your answer. Ajay donated 49 liter 250 milliliter of milk. Likewise, we have to solve question number 2. Under the Rural Cleanliness Mission, college students clean 1 kilometer 750 meter of a village road that is 2 kilometer 575 meter long. How much remain to be cleaned? Now here you have to write down given things. What is given in the example? Total length of road. How much it is? 2 kilometer 575 meter. So write down here 2 kilometer 575 meter. How much road college student has cleaned? 1 kilometer 750 meter. And now what we have to find out, how much road remain to be clean. So which operation we have to carry down here? Yes, subtraction. From total length of road we have to subtract length of road clean. Then we will get how much road remain to be clean. For that we have to make two columns, kilometer and meter. we use. So write down total length of road first. 2 kilometer 575 meter, and length of road clean minus 1 kilometer 750 meter. Now observe these two figures. 575 is less than 750. So we cannot subtract 750 from 575. What we have to do? We have to borrow 1 from 2 kilometers. So cut 1, write down here, put 1 and add this meter here, 1575. And now you can subtract 750 from 1575. So here after subtraction we get the figure 825. In kilometer column 1 minus 1 0. So write down your answer. 825 meter length of road remain to be clean. So understood how to solve this word problem. Third example you will solve in your notebook. Let us solve question number 4. If half a liter of milk costs 22 rupees, how much will 7 liter cost? In this example, first you have to find out cost of 1 unit, and then from that you have to find out cost of many units. So first, what are the given things and what we have to find out? Let us see how to solve. Now here write down cost of half liter of milk. It is given rupees 22. So here you will write rupees 22. So what is the cost of 1 liter of milk? It is double than this cost. So rupees 22 we have to multiply by 2. So we get rupees 44. So what is the cost of 1 liter of milk? 44 rupees. So here 1 unit cost we got. Now we have to find out cost of many unit. So we have to find out cost of 7 liter of milk. To find cost of 7 liter of milk, we have to multiply rupees 44 by 7 liter. So what is your answer? Rupees 308. Now write down answer. Answer is cost of 7 liter of milk is rupees 308. Question number 5. If the speed of a motorcycle is 40 km per hour, how far will it travel in an hour and a quarter? So let us see what are the given things. Here speed of motorcycle is given 1 hour 40 km, an hour and a quarter. How to write this in a fraction? An hour means 1 hour, a quarter means 1/4. So an hour and a quarter means 1 and 1/4 hour is equal to what? First we will convert hours into minute. So it will be easy to solve. We know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So 1/4 hour is equal to 1/4 of 60. So 4 ones are 4, 4 15s are 15 minutes. It means 1/4 hour means 15 minutes. So 1 and 1/4 hour is equal to 1 plus 1/4 hour. Now tell me 1 hour means how many minutes? 60 minutes, and 1/4 hour means 15 minutes. So do the addition of these two. You will get answer 75 minutes. It means 1 and 1/4 hour is equal to 75 minutes. Here we are comparing two quantities, time and distance. So what is given in the example? 1 hour. 1 hour means what? 60 minutes is equal to how much distance it will cover? 40 kilometer. So 40 kilometer distance is given. Then we have to find out in 1 and 1/4 hour means how many minutes? 75 minutes. So that distance is not given. So we will take letter X. X kilometer distance car will cover. So let us see how to solve. We have to do it cross multiplication here. X into 60 is equal to 40 into 75. Now we have to find out value of X, means we will get distance. So here you will write X. This 60 we have to shift right side. So here which sign is there? Multiplication. So when we will shift this 60, it will convert into division. So how to write this? 40 into 75, and that 60 will come in denominator. Now solve this. You will get figure 50 kilometer. So X is equal to 50 kilometer. Write down answer in words. So the answer is the motorcycle will cover 50 kilometer distance in 1 and 1/4 hour. Understood how to solve this type of example? Let us solve question number 8. During cleanliness week, children cleaned the public park in their town. They collected 3/4 kilogram of plastic bags and 5.5 kilogram of other garbage. How much garbage did they collect in all? So in this example, what are the given things? Write down given things. Now during cleanliness, children clean public park. Okay, so how much garbage they have collected? 3/4 kilogram of plastic bags. So how to write 3/4 kilogram? Yes, 3/4 means 3/4 kg is equal to how much gram? We know that 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. Half kg is equal to 500 gram. Then 3/4 kg is equal to 750 gram. Now how much other garbage they have collected? Other garbage is given 5.5 kilogram. It means 5.5 kg. It is written as 5 kg plus half kg. So how to write this? 5 kg, half kg means how much gram? 500 gram. So it is written as 5 kg 500 gram. And what we have to find out? Total garbage. How much total garbage they have collected? How to find out total garbage? We have to make the addition of both. So for that we have to make two columns, kg and gram, because garbage is given in which unit? Kg and gram. So write down first figure. Plastic bags. How many plastic bags are there? 750 gram. So nothing will come in kg column. 750 will come in gram column. plus how much other garbage they have collected? 5 kg 500 gram. So here write down 5 kg 500 gram. Now do the addition of gram. 7 plus 5 12 and 1 kg we have to carry in kg column. So 1 plus 5 6 kg. So how much total garbage they have collected? 6 kg 250 gram. Write down your answer. Your answer is they collected 6 kg 250 gram garbage in all. The remaining examples we will learn in next video. Thank you.